Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to create your own Chrome browser theme. So first let's bring up Chrome, and then let's select this customize Chrome in the bottom right hand corner. Now here in the middle you have the different light modes. So this is device, you can have it permanently light, permanently dark, or device. So if your device is set to change through light to dark, it'll follow that pattern. Let's change it to light. Now here you can change the color theme. So you can pick a theme that you like. Underneath you can take the shortcuts out here by saying show shortcuts. Then you can change if you want to my shortcuts or most viewed. Then you can come up to the top here and select change theme. And there's loads of different themes to choose from. As you can see, we'll select cityscapes and you can select this one here. And then at the top here you can select refresh daily, and it will change between all these cityscapes every day. So you'll have a different screen background to Chrome every single day. You can always come back and select default Chrome, or if you have your own images you can upload an image here, and then this will be the background of Chrome. As I say, there's many of different background themes to choose from. So that's how to create your own Chrome browser theme. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.